Hello friends. So today we will be learning how to create a node in a graph. So for creating that we have a library available in Python that is called as NetworkX. NetworkX. So as Python is case sensitive, so we'll be using NetworkX here. So this is the library which is available in Python which is used for plotting a graph. Now we will import it and we'll name it as NX. N representing network and X representing this. So let's represent it with NX and import it. It has been imported now. And now to plot the graph, we also need some functions of matplotlib. So we will also import the library matplotlib.pyplot and also we'll name it as PLT. PLT is basically used for this P, L and T because the function that we will be using is available in this pyplot for plotting. Now what we will do is we'll be using the first function available in NetworkX for the graph creation, and first of all we'll be creating an empty graph. So whatever function we will be creating, that will be created with the help of nx dot the graph name, the function name, sorry. So now what we will do is we will with nx, as we can see, let's say if I have to create this graph, I'm creating this empty graph. If I try to create it, it will give me some error. So for that, I need to create it with the help of nx.graph. Now you can see that it has been created and the type is graph, which is available in NetworkX, and the ID of that graph is this. Also now let's store it in some variable capital G because we have to use this variable to access other functions. So now again, we can see that it has been stored in G, and again if I display this G, I'll get the information about the graph, right? Now after this, what we have to do is, as I have told you, that we have to create a node. So we will write, there is one more function available in NetworkX, that is add underscore node. In this function, we are going to pass the node that we want to create. So let's create node 1. We name the node as 1. So if I try to create it again, it is going to give me some error because now I have to access the function with the help of this G, because we have to create that node in G. So we will write capital G dot add node 1. So it means node 1 is being created. Now copy this, or let's see whether the first node is created or not. After that, we have a function in this NetworkX, that is nx.draw, which is basically used to draw that node. So again, it is giving some error because it will be created with the help of, see what happens is we have to create the graph G. So for that, we have to pass the name of the node graph name. So we will be writing capital G here. Now see, perfectly we can see that this first node has been created here, right? So now if we want to create more nodes, so what we will do is, I am creating a node naming 2. So now we can see that 2 nodes have been created. Similarly, if I copy both of them and I simply change the name of the node, what I'll see is 4 nodes have been created. So in this way we can create any number of nodes. So this was a simple program which is used to create a node in a graph using the library NetworkX, which is available in Python. So in future videos we will be learning more about the edge creation and creation of graph and labeling of graph. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.